Welcome to SMF Street, home to Main Street, and we have an international trading program. Everyone qualifies. We have a network of people through that. You don't have to live in the U.S. You don't have to be a U.S. citizen to be a trader on SMF Street, meaning that SMF Street has its own proprietary stuff. You don't have to be a U.S. citizen to participate, because you don't. And another thing is you can trade the firm's capital, which is stockmarketfunding.com. And you can be in the 52-week apprenticeship school and the live market maker trading division all at one time. So that's a very good thing. Another thing that you would want to do is you want to go to our website right here and click on this yellow link. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Yes, these videos are live trades with people and things that we do and we look at and our risk management structures. It's all right here. Hit the 5 free-day trial. If you want some premier videos that we've done in the past with live trades, sign up for this. The International Stock Trading Group sign up button is right here. That's for international people around the world. Doesn't matter where you live in the world. SMF Street welcomes you, and you have an opportunity to trade the U.S. markets. You have an opportunity to trade international markets and lots of things that we provide. The chart that I have here is a weekly S&P 500 index. We had a bottom, a double week bottom that we put in where the rally started right here. And this upper trend line is called the SMF Street weekly bar. My first support level will be right here as 1052 on the or let's just call it 1051. Okay, that's half of the bar. If we were to come down, the problem is right now we're falling through the red line. That's the 20-week moving average. That's called a sell through. The 50-week moving average, that pink line, is a 50-week moving average, and we sold through it. The aqua blue line is a 10-week moving average, and we've undercut it. So when the bulls were trying to get the summer rally going over here, which they were trying, talking it up, yeah, you had a little bit of a rally, but all you did was take that weak summer rally right to there. But look at the distribution week of last week with the headlines that are out with the FOMC is the last double top week right in here. You took this out. You took out both of these weeks on extremely higher selling volume, even though that it was on lower volume, but the volume that was there was to the sell side. So just because of volume, so you could say that 80% of the volume of the lower volume was sell through here. Now, I'm going to draw a horizontal trend line for our master SMF Street traders, and what they're going to do is they're going to know that this was the major catalyst right here, this bar, because that's where the downtrend started. This is where the selling really picked up. That was the upper part of the resistance. We didn't make that, but that's the upper end. The lower end is that we're in a trading range, and we did not take out anything higher than that 1130 mark. Right here, that's the top of this market right here. There's 1122. That goes up to about close to 1128. That 1130 handle could not be taken out on the S&P, and you had a distribution. Now, granted, it's the dog days of summer in the U.S. and August when all people are on vacation. So naturally, the volume is not your normal volume, but what counts about the SMF volume analyzer that we created in our platform, which you haven't seen yet. And the thing about it is, it's a direct access trading platform. It's this right here, and we own this application. That's on the VIX, and these are weekly formulas, all these trend lines, and that's the way that they are. And there's lots of things about it. Sign up for a free 5-day trial and find out more about this application that's not sold to the public. Only the traders use it. So basically, we don't have any support till we get to half of that SMF Street bar. That's the underlining lower support at 1050. If there's a sell through at 1050, the low, this low over here which was 1011, can be taken out. Because when the big players come back, and as just like you went up on light volume, you got back up above these moving averages that are weekly now. And there's a mathematical equation. If we have a continuation pattern, and I draw this trend line right here where my pencil is, that's half of that bar. If I stay there at resistance in this SMF Street bar, here, let's make sure you got it just perfect. Let's take out the lower one there. Let's get it just perfect. There it is, right about there. If I come down and I come up and I hit resistance and I can't get back above this down bar, half of that bar, that means anything below half of that bar makes this trend weak and goes down further. And we already gave out all of the bear funds that you can trade on the S&P and make a boatload of money. And we put them out there for all of our traders, and you can find them all right here. They're all here. S&P Banking Index. These are all live analysis during trading hours. I mean, that's what we do here. There's a technology, Bear 3X TYP. Technology goes down. We make a lot of money getting net long. You can make money to the downside. No one says you have to be one-sided in this market. The only person that says that is you. So basically, it's a bear reversal on the weekly chart. There are the support levels. If I go below it and I can't get above there, I'm going to keep buying more bear funds and trading those ETF bears. 3X, I'm going to 3X financial tech, large cap tech, they're all going to go down. And all last week, I covered all of the indexes. So go do your homework there. If you want to get on board, everyone qualifies regardless of experience. You can take that free 5-day trial and get started. It's a big savings to you. We're a very transparent company, and the thing about it is our talent speaks for itself. So if you want an opinion or make an opinion, then come and see what we do, and then you can make your opinion, because that would be the right thing to do. And that's the S&P bear reversal.